a world of natural wonders, Singapore and Japan. From bustling cityscapes to serene landscapes, our planet pulsates with life in its most diverse forms. Today we journey to two remarkable nations, Singapore and Japan, to uncover their hidden natural treasures. Singapore, often recognized as a global metropolis, surprises many with its wealth of natural talent spots. Japan, a land of ancient traditions and breathtaking landscapes, offers a unique blend of cultural heritage and natural splendor. Our journey begins in the heart of Singapore, at the Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This verdant oasis, over 160 years old, is a testament to Singapore's dedication to botanical research and conservation. The National Orchid Garden, a spectacle of vibrant colors and delicate fragrances, houses the largest display of orchids in the world. Scientists here conduct groundbreaking research on plant diversity, contributing significantly to global conservation efforts. Through interactive exhibits and educational programs, they inspire a love for nature and a commitment to preserving it for generations to come. As we stroll through these tranquil gardens, we witness firsthand the harmonious coexistence of nature and urban life. We venture now to the northern shores of Singapore, to the Sungei Buloh Wetland Reserve, a vital stopover point for migratory birds on the East Asian-Australasian flyway. This rich ecosystem, teeming with life, showcases the interconnectedness of our natural world. Herons stalk the shallows, kingfishers dart through the air, and mud skippers skip along the muddy banks, reminding us of the delicate balance of this unique habitat. Once a prawn farming area, it was transformed into a protected reserve, allowing its natural biodiversity to flourish. The reserve plays a crucial role in environmental education, providing visitors with an opportunity to learn about the importance of wetland conservation. From the smallest mud skipper to the largest migratory bird, Sungei Buloh reminds us of the interconnectedness of life. Our journey through Singapore's natural wonders takes us now to Pulau Ubin, a small island off the mainland where time seems to stand still. Here, amidst the rustic kampongs and untouched forests, we catch a glimpse of a simpler way of life, one that is deeply connected to the rhythms of nature. Pulau Ubin is a living museum of traditional ecosystems. Its diverse habitats, ranging from mangroves and grasslands to forests and beaches, support a rich variety of flora and fauna. For those seeking to study traditional ecosystems, Pulau Ubin offers a rare opportunity. Pulau Ubin stands as a reminder of Singapore's past, a time when life moved at a slower pace, and nature was an integral part of everyday life. Chapter 4. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, a biodiversity hotspot. We venture now into the heart of Singapore's oldest nature reserve, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve. Despite its size, Bukit Timah is home to an astounding variety of plant and animal species, some of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Towering trees form a dense canopy overhead, filtering the sunlight and creating a magical, otherworldly atmosphere. Scientists and students from around the world flock to Bukit Timah to study its unique ecosystems and conduct research on a wide range of topics. Bukit Timah Nature Reserve stands as a shining example of how even a small area can harbor an incredible amount of biodiversity. Chapter 5. Migratory Reservoir, where water meets wilderness. Our journey through Singapore's natural treasures takes us now to the tranquil shores of Migratory Reservoir. This vital source of water for the nation is also a haven for wildlife and a popular destination for outdoor enthusiasts. The calm waters reflect the lush greenery, creating a sense of peace and serenity. The surrounding forests are home to a variety of animal species, including long-tailed macaques, squirrels, monitor lizards, and a plethora of bird life. Migratory Reservoir offers a unique and inspiring setting for those seeking to learn more about the delicate balance of water conservation and biodiversity. Chapter 6. Yakushima Island, an ancient emerald isle. We now journey across the East China Sea to the shores of Japan, where we set foot on Yakushima Island, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Yakushima's ancient cedar forests, known as yakusugi, are a sight to behold. These towering giants, some over 1,000 years old, create a mystical atmosphere that transports visitors back in time. The island's unique climate has fostered the evolution of a remarkable diversity of plant and animal life, including several endemic species found nowhere else on Earth. As we immerse ourselves in the tranquility of Yakushima's primeval forests, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and reverence for the power and resilience of nature. Chapter 7. Our exploration of Japan's natural wonders takes us now to the northeastern tip of Hokkaido, where we find Shiretoko National Park, a land of pristine wilderness and untamed beauty. Shiretoko, meaning the end of the earth in the indigenous Ainu language, is a fitting name for this remote peninsula where rugged mountains plunge into the icy waters of the Sea of Okhotsk. Here, volcanoes shape the landscape, glaciers carve through mountains, and forests teem with life. For those seeking to immerse themselves in the raw beauty of nature, Shiretoko National Park offers an unforgettable experience. Chapter 8. Okinawa Churaumi Aquarium, a window to the coral reefs. We journey south now to the subtropical islands of Okinawa, where we dive into the vibrant underwater world of the Okinawa Churaumi Aquarium, one of the largest and most impressive aquariums in the world. Here, within the massive Kuroshio Sea Tank, we come face to fin with whale sharks, manta rays, and a kaleidoscope of colorful fish. The aquarium's mission extends far beyond entertainment. It serves as a vital research center for marine biology and conservation. The Okinawa Churaumi Aquarium offers a captivating glimpse into the hidden wonders of the underwater world and underscores the importance of protecting these fragile ecosystems. Chapter 9. Fuji Hakone-Izu National Park, a tapestry of volcanic wonders. Our exploration of Japan's natural wonders takes us now to the iconic Mount Fuji, the highest and most revered mountain in Japan. We find ourselves in Fuji Hakone-Izu National Park, a region of dramatic landscapes and captivating beauty. Mount Fuji, with its perfectly symmetrical cone, dominates the skyline, a symbol of Japan's natural and cultural heritage. The park's diverse landscapes offer endless opportunities for exploration, from hiking to soaking in hot springs. As we stand in the shadow of Mount Fuji, we are reminded of the awe-inspiring power of nature and the importance of preserving these natural wonders. Chapter 10. Eiso-Kuju National Park, where volcanoes breathe life. Our final destination on this journey through the natural wonders of Singapore and Japan takes us to Eiso-Kuju National Park on the island of Kyushu. Here, amidst rolling grasslands and steaming volcanic craters, we witness the raw power of nature at play. Eiso-Kuju is home to Mount Eiso, one of the largest active volcanic craters in the world. The park's volcanic landscapes support a unique array of ecosystems, with hot springs creating pockets of warmth that sustain unusual plant and animal life. Eiso-Kuju National Park stands as a testament to the dynamic forces that have shaped our planet and continue to do so today. Outro: preserving our natural heritage. As we conclude our journey through the natural talent spots of Singapore and Japan, we are left with a profound appreciation for the beauty and diversity of our planet. From the meticulously curated gardens of Singapore to the untamed wilderness of Japan, these natural treasures offer invaluable insights into the delicate balance of life on Earth. These natural talent spots serve as vital centers for environmental science, biology, conservation, and ecotourism. We encourage you to explore these natural wonders for yourself, to witness their beauty firsthand, and to support the conservation efforts that protect them. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and be sure to subscribe for more explorations of the world's natural wonders.